Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how you can search for hot selling products that you can use for your e-commerce business. Alright, so if you are into e-commerce business, you should understand that the products that you sell determines how profitable you're going to be in the business. So it is very important that you go for hot selling product. So how can you get this hot selling product? Now this is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Alright, so if you're interested, if you like to know how to search for hot selling products that you can use to scale your e-commerce business, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. The most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so for us to be able to search for this hot selling product, I'm going to be recommending 3 websites that I personally use, and all of these websites are absolutely for free. Okay, so you can get access to hot selling product on this website absolutely for free without paying any money. So the first on the list is AliExpress. Okay, so the second website we're going to be using for the research is what I refer to as EcomHunt. EcomHunt is specifically built for hot selling products. So if you are looking for hot selling product, you can simply create an account with this website and they will be giving you access to hot selling product on a daily basis. So the third website I'm going to be recommending is absolutely free also, and is an extension of AliExpress. So the third website is AliExpress dropshipping website. So this website is actually built for people that are dropshipping. I'm also into dropshipping business. This is why I'm using this website, and I've also used this product. I've also used this website rather to import products down to Nigeria, and I've been able to sell them, and the product we're able to sell quickly. Okay, so I'm also going to be recommending AliExpress Dropshipping Center as a tool in searching for hot selling products that you can sell in your country. Alright, so the first website is AliExpress. So how can you search for hot selling product on AliExpress? Now the first thing you want to do is to create an account with AliExpress. Once you create an account with them, you'll be able to gain access to the website and you'll be able to use the extension, which is AliExpress Dropshipping Center. But first, let's look at the ways at which you can search for hot selling product on AliExpress. Now, looking at their categories here, depending on the kind of product you want to sell, all you simply need to do is just go to the category of the product you are interested in. Personally, I believe beauty and health products usually sell faster. Okay, so take for example, if you are in the beauty and health niche, what you simply want to do is okay, take for example, we are looking at skincare. Okay, so I'm going to click on skincare, and it's going to bring out the list of products that are in skincare. So what you want to do now is you want to click on rating here. Okay, so as you can see, you're going to click on rating here. So once you click on rating, it's going to bring out the list of products that are actually doing well. Then after that, you want to click on others. Okay, so I'm going to click on others now. So it's going to bring out products that are sold the most on AliExpress. So these are the list of products that are being sold the most on AliExpress. Okay, so looking at this product has done over 19,000 sale. So as you can see now, this one is over 11,000, this one is over 10,000. So you can just click on the one that interests you, open them, then visit the actual page. Now before you start buying this product, there's another thing you need to take into consideration. Now you need to look at the positive feedback score here. So looking at the positive feedback score here, always go for a product that is doing above 95%. So after that, the next thing you want to check is to also scroll down, then click on customer review. Okay, so by customer review, you want to go for a product that is doing 4.6 and above. Okay, so these are one of the ways at which you can actually search for hot selling products on AliExpress. So if you want to look for another product, all you simply need to do is just go to another niche or another category, then do the same method and use the trick to look or search for this hot selling product you like to buy and sell. All right, so the second method is by using EcomHunt. Okay, so EcomHunt is actually a paid website. They also have a free plan also. So what I'm using is the free plan. So you yourself can actually create an account with them, then use the free plan to gain access to hot selling product that you can buy, then import to your country and sell in Nigeria. All right, so all you simply want to do right here is just to create an account with them. I have an account with them already, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on login here. All right, so I'm going to click on, okay, I'm going to do the the reCAPTCHA so I can gain access to the website. Alright, so I'm going to click on login now. Alright, so I'm inside the website now. Because what I'm using is a free plan, that is why you can see logged product here. Now this logged product are newly introduced products on the website. So these are new products that they introduce on the platform. So as you can see, for available for free members in the next, I think this is in the next 2 or 3 days. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to scroll down. So as you can see now, these are hot selling products that you can still research. Okay, so what I usually do is I'll look for the one that interests me. Take for example, let's say this is a good product you would like to sell. All you simply need to do is just click on show me the money here. Okay, so what I will do now is I'm going to copy the title of the product, or I download the image, then go back to AliExpress, use the title of the product or the image to search for the product on AliExpress. So this is basically how I use EcomHunt. So the third method is by using AliExpress Dropshipping Center. To create an account with AliExpress Dropshipping Center, just simply go to Google and type AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Okay, so once you click on it, you're going to see it here. So this is AliExpress Dropshipping Center. But before you can use this website, you must have an account with AliExpress. So you're going to be using your own AliExpress login details to log into the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. So once you are inside, you'll see something like this: find winning product, synchronized product, and synchronized product with authorized to. So what you want to do now is you want to click on this find winning product here. So once you click on find product, it's going to bring this out. So like I said earlier, if you see a product that interests you here, you can actually save the product here, then use this search by image to search for the product on AliExpress Dropshipping Center. So I'm going to click on hot selling product now. So it's going to bring out a list of hot selling products that people are actually selling on AliExpress. So to narrow it down, you can also click on product categories. So from here, this is men clothing. So just scroll down and choose the niche that interests you. So once you click on it, it's going to bring out the list of hot selling products that you can actually buy, then shipped to your country and start selling as your e-commerce product. Now additionally, you could also select on where the product is being shipped from. If you want to buy products that are shipped directly from China, you can indicate here, and if you want to buy products that are shipped from US, you can also search for that here. I think currently the list of countries is China, Russia, Spain, Turkey, and France. Okay, so you could also search for shipped to, that is the country they can ship to. Okay, so this is how you can actually use AliExpress Dropshipping Center to search for hot selling product you can use to scale your e-commerce business. So like I said, the first method is by using AliExpress. Okay, so the second method is using EcomHunt. EcomHunt is absolutely for free. They have a paid plan, but you don't need to subscribe to the paid plan. You use the free plan. So I'm going to add a link to the website at the description of the video. And lastly, AliExpress dropshipping website. So if you are using this 3 websites, I'm certain that you're going to be gaining access to hot selling products that you can actually use to scale your e-commerce business. So once you find the product you want to sell, once you've discovered the product you want to sell, the next thing you have to do now is to buy this product, then ship them to your country within 1 week. Now I did a previous video on how to ship your product fast from China to your country, so I'm going to add the link to the product somewhere around here. Okay, so you can just click the link to watch the video and see how you can have your product shipped faster to your country. All right, so this is basically how you can search for hot selling product. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.